All right, welcome back. You're watching NewsX. I'm Rishabh Gulati. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been tracking so many things. If you wanted news, well, you have it today. There's an election on in Assam. There's an election on in Kerala, one in Puducherry, one coming up in Bengal and Tamil Nadu. In 3 or 4 days' time, a historic, I won't call it constitutional because I want to be technically correct, but a historic change is coming our way where a special session of parliament will debate, potentially vote on the Women's Reservation Implementation Bill. Remember, Women's Reservation 33% is already done by Constitutional Amendment 106. This would also mean that potentially the number of parliamentary seats will go up to 816 from the present 543, which has been unchanged since 1971. There is a war on which is not on because there's a ceasefire. The Iranians have opened the Strait of Hormuz, but they've also not really opened it. All of this is happening. I've just been told that the Pakistanis now want Asim Munir to get the Nobel Peace Prize for negotiating the ceasefire between Iran and the US. So we'll have some fun with that a little bit. But I want to hit hard and fast where action stations are in Assam, where Nibit Deka, my colleague, is standing by. Where in Guwahati, the capital, the votes are being cast. What's happening? What's the pulse on the ground, Nibir?
Well, currently we are in the Garal LP school where Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma is going to cast his vote. This was earlier part of the West Guwahati constituency. However, after delimitation, now it is under Jalukbari constituency where the CM has been winning for the 5th time, and this is for the 6th time. He has 7th time he is contesting from this constituency. You can see here the crowd here is already there. We are also going to speak to some of the people here. आप वोट दे दिया? दिखा हाथ दिखा। कब वोट दिखा? आपने वोट दे दिया?
हाँ, वोट दे।
कब आए वोट देने?
वो आया 1 घंटा हो गया।
वोट दिया?
हाँ, वोट दिया है।
क्या इशू आपने समझ के वोट दिया?
मतलब परिवर्तन, मतलब ये होना चाहिए, डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए।
आपका यहाँ पे कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में मुख्यमंत्री भी इसके एमएलए है। हाँ, तो क्या आपको क्या लगता है इसमें विकास हुआ है इस एरिया में?
विकास हुआ है, बहुत विकास हुआ है और आगे और होगा बहुत अच्छा हुआ है।
आपने वोट दिया? हाँ। किस इशू के लिए आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है? क्या समझते हैं?
जनता का अच्छा होगा इसलिए वोट दिया तो अच्छा है।
आपने वोट दिया?
वोट दिया है तो, लेकिन सब वोट दिया अच्छा हो गया, अच्छा से दिया है। ये हम लोग का जो ये है चीफ मिनिस्टर जो है वो उसका जो काम है उसका हिसाब से पूरा जो आदमी है ना वो पूरा आ गया वोट देने के लिए।
So you can see here there are a lot of people already lined up on my right, and they have been waiting here since morning. Also, there is a lot of huge rush here. The chief minister is also soon coming here. As a result of that, there is heavy rush here, and all the arrangements have been made security-wise as well. People are waiting on line. We are also going to speak to some of the youngsters. नमस्कार, आपका नाम?
भास्कर बैश्य।
आप अभी लाइन में खड़े हैं?
हाँ।
कितने टाइम से खड़े हुए हैं?
अभी आए हैं।
अभी आए हैं।
हाँ।
आप तो युवा है, आपके लिए कितना मायने रखता है वोट देना?
बहुत मायने रखता है क्योंकि मेरा एक पर्सनल वोट जो है वो भी डिसाइड कर सकता है कौन किसके हक में जाएगा। तो
क्या इशू आपके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है?
अभी तो मतलब अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ही है।
अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट
मतलब हाँ, गवर्नमेंट जब निकल तो रहा है लेकिन उस हिसाब से नहीं निकल रहा है जितना होना चाहिए।
आपका क्या पढ़ रहे हो अभी?
मैंने MBA किया है। मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में ट्रेडिंग करता हूँ।
तो
Okay, there you are, Nibit Deka, in the capital, in the constituency